Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. So I'm going to walk you through today a 2024 Nautique G23. This is one of the best-selling models in the Nautique lineup. So the G23, super popular boat that we have, and this one is really nice looking, really pretty. This is the steel blue metal flake. We got the lights on it, so it's really popping out. Looks really cool. And then on the aft here, we kind of put this black with the black bottom. Really pops, really cool. And then the tower we did as black as well. So let's take a look and see what we got in the back of this G23. We did option it with a boarding ladder, so easy to get on and off the boat. There also is a nice grab handle here up at the swim platform. So just like all the other Nautiques, we've got the NSS plates, the Nautique surf system. We've got the surf pipe, so it takes all the emissions and puts them down into the prop stream. We got the NCRS, the Nautique configurable running surface, so that works in tangent with the NSS for your surf wave. It also helps you get up on plane quicker, and then into turns it'll drive it down to keep that bow down and get you going as well. We option it with underwater lights, and then the last thing we option it with was the integrated steering assist. So the integrated steering assist you can use in the wheel, you can use it on the screen as well, but that'll help you go backwards in a straight line, or it can help you do a 360. It's really helpful around docks and lifts, or when you're fully loaded with weight. It can really help you in those small maneuver situations. So there's a lot to see on the G23, so why don't you climb aboard with me and I'll walk you through it. All right, welcome aboard the 2024 G23. All right, this is one of my favorite boats, so we got a lot to look at. Let's take a look at the back first here real quick. As you can see, we've got the nice transom seats in the back if you want to hang out, families anchored somewhere. Great place to sit. There's a cooler right in the middle. You can open that up, insulated cooler, put some ice in there, drinks are ready to go, and then cup holders back there as well. So I love how Nautique does the nice walk through here with the nice sea decking. Easy in, easy out without having to step on any of your cushions. You've also got that here as well, easy to get off onto docks or to get off onto your lift without stepping on the cushion. So something that's great about the G23 is everything in this boat from a surf perspective is subfloor. All the ballast tanks are subfloor. So this becomes all storage for all your stuff, because we all know you bring a ton of stuff on the boat with you for a day of surfing or wakeboarding or whatever you're going to do. So both compartments on both sides have deep storage for that, for you and your family. As we come into the boat, we've got some nice storage on both sides. I love that both of these are hinged, so you don't have to take a seat off and put it somewhere. They're hinged all the way through. There's sea deck underneath everything. There's not carpet. There's no carpet underneath there, so you're getting this stuff wet. It dries off very quickly. Close that, and then we've got the bench seat that pulls out, backrest lifts up. You're sitting and watching surfing or wakeboarding or any of the other sports, towboat sports. We got a backrest here. I got a backrest that pops up here. This is a great seat to sit, so everybody is enjoying looking back at all the action. We can close that. Let's take a focus on the tower. So Nautique's tower, very strong, very rigid, looks really cool, though they redesigned this a few years ago. So we option this with the 8.8 JL drivers up on top. So there's just one pair here. You got down lighting on both sides. And then we did the strapless board racks. Put your board in here, lift this up, push the rack or push the board up against there, holds it nice in the place, and obviously they are rotating. Super easy to use. Then up on the tower, we did option it with the bimini. So this is up here. You can take the boot off, and there's big wings basically. They open up this side and this side. There's a lock there and a lock there. Easy enough to do. And then you have spots on top for 2 surfboards. So Really nice to have that there. And then as we come into the boat, one of my favorite things in the G's is the cooler in the floor. It's an actual carry-on cooler. You can take this out. A lot of times I'll just throw ice in the bottom of that and use that and then put the cooler somewhere else in the boat. But you don't have to tell anybody to get up, so you can get yourself a drink. It's right here in the floor. Great use of space. Nice deep storage. We got the cover in there right now, but there's tons of storage right inside here. There's a subwoofer in there, 12-inch subwoofer from JL as well. And then to get to my garbage can, it's right here, easy access for that. So let's take a look at the helm. We've got the nice mirror here, so you can see surfing, wakeboarding, whatever it is. Nice legal mirror to have up. Beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. Really easy, fun to drive, feels good in your hands when you're driving it. The seat, let's talk about the seat real quick. So we got the bolster if you need that. Otherwise, you can pull that down. You've got the nice cutout here. This is for your leg, so you can talk to your crew when you're not underway. It's got a nice deep backrest, super comfortable, almost like a race car seat. So that's kind of nice to have. Like always, you got the 12.4-inch link pen array system. This is a touchscreen system, so everything you're going to need is right there in your system. It's under one screen. And then I can also use this over here, my dials. I can get to different things right next to the throttle. Very ergonomical, very nice to have. So when you're driving the boat, it's right here at your fingertips. Everything's ready to go. So I didn't mention, but the engine in the G23 is a PCM ZZ6. The ZZ6 is 450 horsepower with 465 foot-pounds of torque, and it is a direct injection engine. So it has a little bit better gas mileage on it and super powerful for this boat. Does not need anything bigger than that. Love the ZZ6. As we come up to the bow, the G23 has a nice massive bow. We've got armrests that pop up. We do have the bow filler cushion. Right now you can see it has the SeaDek on it. If I flip it over, it's going to have the fabric on this side, so somebody could sit here with their legs out and have a nice spot. So I would say 3 to 4 people up here in the bow of this G23. So like I said before, the G23 is one of the best selling boats that Nautique makes. Great for surfing, great for wakeboarding, or just hanging out with the family. So this boat is here at a Rogers location. Again, 2024 G23. If you want to come take a look, give us a call or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we put out every day.